So hi folks, this is a little follow-up to the leather seat repair video that you saw. It's been about 2.5 years since I originally did this, but I just want to give everybody kind of a look at how it held up over that time. It's not bad. I think it held up pretty well. You can kind of see here where the original problem was. It's not as perfect as it could be, but it's a heck of a lot better than it was originally. I'll probably just go over it again one more time when I get a chance, but overall I'm pretty happy with the way this turned out. Again, if you like this video and you think it's helpful, please subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it. And again, good luck with your project.